Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the trade deadline in your ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the ESPN app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. After that, tap on League at the top right corner. Remember, only the league commissioner can change the trade deadline, so make sure you are logged in as the commissioner. Now, scroll down to the trade settings section and tap it and select the week you want the trade deadline to end. For example, you might choose week 10, week 12 or any week that works best for your league. After choosing the week, scroll down and tap save to confirm your changes. Make sure to double check because once trade start happening, some leagues may lock the setting. And that's it, you have successfully changed the trade deadline on ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.